Hey everybody, welcome to CRNT Designers. This is Chetan and in this tutorial we are going to create Helix design. So if you are new on this YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe to YouTube channel, and now let's get started. To make the Helix design, we will start with the cube, so shift A and then add a cube. Then you need to select the corner words and then Ctrl X and delete those words. We want a 2D vertical edge add there. Then you need to add the screw modifier and then increase the screw count little bit, so 8 is fine, so just increase the amount of the screw. Now that's look good. Then you need to apply that screw modifier, so just go to the object mode and then apply that modifier. You need to select the bottom edge and then delete these words. You will get this helical curve at there. Select these words and then move it along the z-axis. Extrude it and then move it along the z-axis like this. Select the bottom words and then move it along the z-axis. Okay, and then you need to select the words and then subdivide them. Select the words, subdivide them, and one more time. Then select these words and then one more time subdivide them, just to add the enough words at there, so we will get the decent curve at there. Okay, now you need to select all the words and then you need to go to the object mode and then convert it to the curve. Okay, and now what you need to do, we need to select all the words and we need to smooth them. We need to smooth the words, so that's why we need to select all words, then control points and smooth words, so you will get a smooth curve at there. Okay, that's look decent. Then you need to add one more cube and then scale it down that cube. Then go to the edit mode and then select these faces, top and bottom faces, and then delete them. You will get this kind of form, and then you need to add the array modifier and increase the count along the z-axis. Increase the factor along the z-axis and then increase the count up to 10 is fine. It's totally depend on your curve size. Then you need to add the curve modifier and then select that cube curve which we have created. Okay, and choose the right axis for the deform axis. Z-axis will be fine. And now you need to move the cube along the z-axis so you can give the proper position, and you need to increase the count of the cube in the array modifier so you can maintain the height, right height at there. Now you need to give the right position to the cube so you will get decent form. So select the cube and then apply the array modifier and then curve modifier. And now you will get this kind of form. So go to the top view and then duplicate it and then rotate it into the 90 degree. Then select these two cubes and then rotate them into the 180 degree. So you will get that helix form. And you can see we have got that helix form, twisted design. That's look decent. Okay, now select one of them and then Ctrl B to add the bevel on their edges. So select these edge loops and then add a bevel with the 3 segments and give the right width for the bevel. And then select all them and then link them, Ctrl L and object data, so you will get the same design on other 3. Then you need to add the subdivision surface modifier, so add the subdivision modifier and increase the count up to 2. Select all these and then just copy to selected. So you will get the subdivision surface modifier and all of 4, and then you can delete that curve which we have created. We don't need that. So you can see we have got decent form here, that helix form and helix design, and you can see the topology at there. We can create a different forms, means we can divert the form with the help of lattice. So we can do that thing right now. So just shift D to duplicate it and make a backup, and just you need to select all them and then join them together. So we can use the lattice modifier and we can deform the form little bit, so we will get the variation in a design. So just you need to add the lattice modifier, so shift A and then add a lattice modifier. Just take it little bit side and then snap it to the 3D cursor and now you need to adjust the size of the lattice as according to the size of this helix form. So just scale your lattice, don't go to the edit mode of the lattice. Scale the lattice in object mode as per the size of the form of that helix. And then you need to add the lattice modifier on that helix form. So add the lattice modifier and select that lattice in the lattice modifier. After that, you can increase the resolution of the lattice. And then you can go to the edit mode of the lattice and you can play with the lattice. So you will get a different form on the helix design. So in this way you can tweak the design little bit, tweak the form little bit, so you will get the variations. And just play with the lattice so you will get a decent form, decent looking design at there. After getting the right form, you can apply the lattice modifier and then that lattice. Now you can see we got the right decent looking form and we got the variation in it. So just take them on the surface and you can see the topology and the form which we have created with the help of simple cube and few modifiers. So thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Take care.